Agility is the best word to define the identity of AXILE. Motor agility is the ability to move quickly and precisely, which is the essence of high-speed machining. Mental agility is the ability to think and to understand quickly, to be smart in other words. This is why AXILE is Agile Smart Machining. Highly sophisticated parts manufacturers face the same problems everywhere: lowering selling prices every day, higher costs, and shortage of specialized labor. AXILE propose highly productive machines based on high-speed and 5-axis technologies. AXILE is the logical consequence of the path started by Buffalo in 2008 with the launch of its first 5X high-speed vertical machining center, the MCG5X. With this model alone, Buffalo is already the leading company on 5X technology in Taiwan. With the complete G-Series, AXILE is aiming to be one of the world players in the 5X high-speed machines growing segment. AXILE integrates all the accumulated knowledge and expertise gained in the last decade and pushing Buffalo-created solutions to meet the high sophisticated market demands. The new AXILE line is built with standard high-tech design and components from world-class suppliers to ensure the best quality and reliability, like top-quality built-in spindles, swiveling rotary tables driven by torque motor, the G-Series, and linear and rotary feedback scales. Such components guarantee an agile and accurate performance and local availability of spare parts. By embracing Industry 4.0 technology, AXILE has adapted the patented Smart Machining Technology (SMT) to ensure the accurate machining and energy efficiency, and newly developed AXILE Reliability Technology (ART) to ensure the machine reliability, to perform predictive maintenance and fully automation. AXILE products are built to achieve the goal of 24/7 automated operation with zero downtime and productivity enhancement to create a maximum business profits to the organizations. AXILE is the only company in Taiwan where machine designs are tested by FEM simulation, static model, and dynamic model testing to ensure a reliable product launch. AXILE products are proudly designed and manufactured at Buffalo's facilities, one of the fastest growing and leading technology machine tool manufacturing companies in Taiwan. It is located in Taichung, the world's biggest cluster for the industry, thanks to the abundant specialized workforce and the component supply chain far more efficient than in any other country. The rational range of 3X and 5X high-speed vertical machining centers covers only the most demanded sizes to reach scale economies and maintain reasonable market prices. All models of the V-Series, the 3X line, share the same C-type structure designs, as well as all models of the G-Series, the 5X line, share similar gantry structure designs. The AXILE products are aimed at aerospace, automotive, and high-end die and mold industries. AXILE is conceived to conquer the premium market of 3X and 5X high-speed vertical machining centers. Such market will grow, and AXILE will be the real Asian big player among the global competitors.